Prophet Idris, the fifth generation of Prophet Adam, in the name of Allah the Merciful, the Compassionate. Today I narrate the story of Prophet Idris, peace be upon him. Prophet Idris, also known as Enoch, was a prophet of Allah and a man of truth. He was born and raised in Babylon, following the teachings and religion of Prophet Adam and his son Seth, peace be with Allah's prophets. As the fifth generation of Prophet Adam, Idris called the people back to the religion of his forefathers. Still, unfortunately, only a few listened to him, while the majority turned away. Despite the challenges, Prophet Idris continued his mission, and eventually, he and his followers left Babylon for Egypt. There he continued to call people to do what was just and fair. He taught them specific prayers, instructed them to fast on certain days, and encouraged them to give a portion of their wealth to the poor. Prophet Idris was the first of the children of Adam to be given prophethood after Adam and Seth, peace upon them. He was also credited as being the first to invent the primary form of writing. Some of his wise sayings have been passed down through the generations and continue to inspire people today. For instance, he said, "Happy is he who looks at his deeds and appoints them as pleaders to his Lord." This means that we should take responsibility for our own actions and use them to advocate for ourselves when we stand before Allah. Prophet Idris said, "None can show better gratitude for Allah's favors than he who shares them with others." This is a reminder that we should not keep the blessings Allah has bestowed upon us to ourselves, but rather we should share them with those who are less fortunate. He also said, "Do not envy people for what they have, as they will only enjoy it for a short while." This means that material possessions and wealth are fleeting, and it is unwise to be jealous of others for what they have, as it will not bring us any lasting satisfaction. Prophet Idris taught, "He who indulges in excess will not benefit from it." This is a reminder that moderation is essential in all aspects of our lives, and we should avoid excessive behavior in all things. Lastly, he said, "The real joy of life is to have wisdom." This reminds us that true happiness comes from gaining knowledge, understanding, and wisdom, bringing us true joy and fulfillment. Prophet Idris's teachings and sayings continue to inspire people worldwide, and his legacy lives on through the ages as a beacon of truth and wisdom. Prophet Idris, or Enoch, was a prophet of Allah who spent his life calling people to the path of righteousness and spreading wisdom. He faced rejection, but never gave up on his mission. His teachings and wise sayings are still relevant today and continue to inspire people to live a just and fair life. Enoch's life reminds us that we should strive to follow the path of righteousness and seek wisdom in all aspects of our lives.